Hi, I'm Tom Wong, Sunday and Enterprise Editor at the Dallas Morning News. Mentorship. We often talk about the power of mentorship, and yet very few people actually walk the walk. Lawrence Mann is one of those people. In Sunday's Dallas Morning News, we want to take the opportunity to profile a person who's making a big difference in his community. And staff writer Leslie Minora has the profile on Lawrence Mann. Leslie, tell us a little bit about Lawrence. He came from Detroit and he's lived in Dallas for a while.
Yeah, he came to Dallas from Detroit. He grew up there and actually moved with his brother, who was a football player at SMU. And he just started getting involved in different businesses, keeping up with sports, and was just kind of always a mentor to kids. So.
And now he works with the Plano schools as an at-risk specialist. What does that mean?
He started as an at-risk specialist in 2006, and he works within the district, and he's given different children who need just extra support for whatever reason. So they can be struggling in their classes with behavior issues. Really, at-risk is this broad term that can mean anything. They just need that extra boost, and Lawrence is there.
Yeah, I love this line in your story. To Lawrence Mann, the term at risk is conditional, not terminal. What do you mean by that?
By that I mean this is something that can be changed with a little extra push. So it's not something that they're branded with for life, or that really has any bearing on what they'll grow up to be or what they'll become. So Lawrence just kind of seeks to get them over whatever it is that's getting in their way of succeeding.
And he's helping them make this change, not only at the Plano schools, but he's got a couple of nonprofits.
Yeah, so he works within the school district, and he'll have lunch with the kids during the day and just talk about business, sports, what's going on in their lives, anything to kind of get them thinking. And then outside of the schools, he has a nonprofit called Top Achievers. And with that, he does mentoring through basketball. So he'll have basketball practices and then hang out and just talk to them. And the same thing, just be that support system, whether it's in or outside of school.
Lawrence Mann seems to have an impact on many young men and young women. What would you say is special about his style of mentorship?
He's just one of those special people that you come across, and the man is just made of energy and has time for anyone who crosses his path and needs it. So he just really knows that as one person, he can just sort of touch the different lives of all these children and just find out what needs they have, what needs aren't being met, and whether it's something big or something little, just a high five in the hallway, or bringing them along with his family to church, he'll do whatever it takes. So he's special in that way.
It's a huge sign of commitment. Grab your Sunday Dallas Morning News. If you want to learn more about Lawrence Mann, you can read Leslie Minora's profile on Sunday, page 1.